Alright, welcome to Off Grid and On the Fly. We're day after the e-bike wreck. We're gonna evaluate this air e-bike again. We're a little banged up, but you know, we'll right. Well, I'll get back to you. Let me break out the e-bike a little better. All right. Well, we got some damage to it, and not much. I scraped the paint off a hair off my rack. Looked like I might have bent it, but I don't think so. Those are pretty sturdy racks. Scuffed my pedal up right there. They were brand new pedals. Oh, this was brand new. And scuffed this up here. I put that on there because I was worried about this ever wiping out. You protect that, and it helped. I don't know if it did a good job, but it helped. That seemed to be a little loose. I'll tighten that stuff up. I got this bike as a basket case, so this was someone else wiped out on his bike, but that's not for me. Mares I put on here, got a scuff mark on that mare. But she made it through it. Oh, yeah, brake. Got right on a brake there. This one here. Yeah, that'll probably be 4. That's fresher than that one. That might have happened though. Yesterday. That's new. Scrape right there. I don't know, ain't no scrapes on the seat, I don't see. Just on the racks and the... I call it stuffed pipe because he has a drainage pipe that I'm using for a fender. Yeah, that's why I call it stuffed pipe, because it got a wheel in it. It's tough. But now I gotta take the wheel off and see why we got a flat. Because if you look at these tires, they're flat guard. Yeah. Flat guard. Now, either I got stabbed in the side, I don't know. But I will say, this is my 3rd accident. 2nd accident on this bike. The first one, that's why I had to replace the pedals. Because the pedal fell off. And nothing seriously happened. Thank goodness. This time, really nothing seriously happened. I mean, I'm banged up, but, you know, that's about it. But back when I was in my 20s, I had a serious accident. Whew. I went over the handlebars. And it didn't deter me then from riding. It just, what got me out of riding a bike was my roommates kept stealing my bikes, and they said they weren't. And I didn't buy cheap bikes. Well, I don't know what got videotaped, but there's the reason that I crashed. The valve stem broke off due to low pressure. And I got some other issues, like Easter. Must have bumped it on something. I don't know what it is. But I have a camping trip coming up on that e-bike. And the thing I want to do is I really want to know what type of tires are better. I mean, a lot of things changed from 40 years ago. So I know this one guy I watched, Loaded Pickle, Tyler. He just had an accident. I want to know. I don't know much about it. He might have had a flat tire. I think he had a flat tire too. Yeah, I think that's what he said. He had got a front flat tire. But I want to know if it was a low pressure tire. You know, he does tubeless, so you know, flat tires happen. I mean, no matter how good a tire you got, it boils down to the tube. The tube gets, you know, he use steel valve stems where they bolt on. Those might be better. But then you got tubeless tire, which, you know, that saves money on the tube. Which really it only cost me like $20. And I actually got 3 extra tubes. So anyhow, let me know what you guys think, how I should do this camping trip. It's gonna be a solo one because I don't know. Anyhow, peace out, man.